Okay, so Ian was out here one day, and he's like, oh, I'm fine, Grandpa kept him. We were cold, The next time he came, he went and bought a sweatshirt before he got on the water. Remember that?
Yes.
Like, okay, it's real. When Grandpa says it's cold, it's cold.
You're kidding, guys.
I'm saying if I need it.
Yep.
Oh, great. That's what I need. This video of me up here.
Yeah. And that. There you go. Grab him with. There you go. Calm him down for you. Alright. Leave him up in front of the GoPro there.
Mind your way.
Nope. You're good.
All right, Maisie.
What'd I get?
Another trout.
Nice.
Another trout.
Grandpa, what's your problem? Look at your camera up there.
What's the biggest? Just hold down. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. We are down on Taneycomo today. Down here, we're actually at Scotty's Trout Dock right now. Just got done with the trip, and the trout fishing still, it's been pretty good. It's not bad. They've stopped running as much of the spillway gates. I think they're down to 2 gates now, and it slowed the fishing down a little bit. Not too bad. Still catching them on the old drift rig with the egg and scud. It is, and I have been using the number 12 scud. That seems to be, there's still a lot of scuds in here from when they were running all the spillway gates, but the main thing with those drift rigs is the weight. We've been using a 1/4 ounce weight. You really got to get that thing on the bottom, and yeah, it is. It's shaping up for today and yesterday. The sun finally came out. It's gotten a lot warmer, and yeah, so trout fishing is going to start picking up. The bass fishing, I've got another trout trip tomorrow, and I think the rest of the week are bass, so stay tuned. We will probably do a video over on Table Rock on the bass fishing side. And if you guys are down here, stop in Scotty's. That's where I get, they've got all the eggs and scuds and the weights and everything to set you up. It's you know, if you've got any questions on how to rig that stuff up, how to, you know, what size, weight, what, you know, scuds or whatever, they can definitely help you out. And they know their stuff in here. They're under new management. HP and Megan just sold it. Bill, the new owner, is a great guy. He is, if you haven't been down here to Scotty's in a while, he's making some changes, and we miss HP and Megan, but yeah, it's I think they went back to Oklahoma and gonna start a new chapter. So yeah, you guys come on down here and check things out, and thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned. Like I said, I'm gonna get some footage later on this week from Table Rock. See how the bass are doing. Thank you guys for tuning in.